Hi guys. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but let's try and get this to focus. I'm stitching my mini bath time mermaid 2/1 tent stitch on 28 count. So this is really tiny, and I'm trying not to shake the camera, but I'm holding it. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to demonstrate this Snag-nab-it. This is the needle that has the coarse end on one side and a pointy end on the other. For opportunities like this, where you have a piece of thread, I started with a loop start and went ahead and stitched the rest of my stitches and then parked, and then realized after the fact that my loop hadn't gone all the way through the hole. So I'm going to use this to tuck this piece of thread. All you do is you use your pointy tip and push it into the hole, okay, like so, and then you pull it through like so, and the variegated edge grabs that little piece that was sticking up and drags it down through the hole. And that's all to it. I think I got it all. So now, even though that hole now looks a bit stretched, right, where I've pulled this down through, and I don't even know if it's showing up clear on this camera, what'll happen now is when I stitch, when I stitch this stitch here and these stitches underneath, that will even out again. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that shows how this thing works. It basically just grabs the frayed edge and pulls it down through your fabric for you, instead of me having to go back and, fix it. So there you have it. And there's my progress so far on my mini bath time by Hade.